Hi guys, so in today's video I want to do a Vybz Kartel Freedom Street lookbook, and this is going to be on the more casual side because I know a lot of people are going to go and they want to be cute but comfortable. So I'm gonna do two-part. This part is the cute casual chic, and then I'm gonna do a second part which is the dressed up all the way down to the 9 girl, but this casual. So if you want to see it, please stay tuned. Let's get into the fits.
She tell me that true love is hard for find. She love me from she a go to high school. Yeah, me remember she tell me that. She tell me say don't take me for fool. She said no matter how much girl me have, them no love you like I do. Yeah, me remember she tell me that. She tell me to love you, baby, mind and soul and body.
The dress is from Revolve. It's from the brand Sydney, and my shoes are from Shein. I've had them for almost a year. I absolutely love them. They're comfortable, they're cute. They also hide your toes, so if your toes is not done, you're good. And it definitely bring the look up more because it's a nice gold snake print, and I love that. The bag is from Revel. It's from a black owned brand that I found on TikTok, and it was super affordable, and I love supporting black owned businesses. My bracelets, let's go. Bracelets are from Kate Spade, both of them. My necklace is also from a black owned brand, and then my earrings are from AliExpress. So this is the fit. This is for the girls that want to wear white and want to be comfortable.
A word of advice from me are not nice. Teacher, to the students, get your uniform press, pack your knapsack. Kim says school of the thing, Prefect Da Vinci.
Make sure say you wanna school, taking your education, no farm, no food.
So I'm gonna come a little bit closer. So the top is from H&M. The bow tie I dragged out of hubby's closet. I would have rather this be a black or a white, but I didn't have any on hand and I wanted the look to come together, but I like the pop of color. I would definitely do a burgundy lip if I would do this tie, another black one. This is from Shein. My bag is also from Shein. My socks and my shoes are from Amazon, and I kept my jewelry super simple because I feel like there's a lot going on with the outfit, so I wanted to keep everything else simple. My ring is from Amazon. My glasses are also from Amazon, and that's it. So this fit is for the edgy girls, the comfy girls. The glasses are from Lorve. The bodysuit is from Shein. This bag is from Fashion Nova. It connects to your waist and your legs, so I feel like it kind of cinches your waist in, and I can't even turn around because there's a big hole in the back of this. I just put it on and there's a hole. But my shoes are Yeezys, and I have some slouch socks that I got from the beauty supply store. My ring is from AliExpress, and I'm mixing metals with this earring also.
Oh, you have the bestest body in the world. No girl me touch, but me not tell you no lie. But you me say, me never see a cat when me love so. Me love you.
Glasses are from Amazon. My earrings are also from Amazon. My top is from I Am Gia, and my shorts are from Shein. My purse is from Fashion Nova. It's super old. My arm candy is from Kate Spade, and my slippers are Hermes. I feel like this is for the festive girly that's out with her man and she's in the New Year spirit. I love the shorts. The shorts are amazing. You can dance, have fun. You don't have to worry about hanging out or any of that stuff because it's shorts.
You're my heaven.
So these glasses are from Amazon, earrings are from Amazon. Also, the bodysuit is from Mandir Devore. My bag is from Brandon Blackwood, and then Clocks from Clocks. And I don't know if I like these glasses more or these glasses. I think like this brings something to look at. So I think I'm gonna go with these. Please tell me in the comment section which glasses you like more. Do you like this one or the other one? But for now, I'm gonna go with this one. This is a fit. This is for the fashion girly for sure. She is about her fashion and she is not afraid to get looked at, to get stared at. This is
The queen for England of love of yardy. Real bad man, no muggle in a shorts. Straight jeans, cut off foot pants. Everybody have to ask when me get my clocks. Everybody have to ask when me get my clocks. The leather hard, the sweat soft. Toothbrush get out the dust fast. Everybody have to ask when me get my clocks. Everybody have to ask when me get my clocks. Prepping up. Clocks me prefer. Clocks for the leather, yeah. Clocks for the fur. Clocks for the summer, clocks for the winter. Clocks for the sun, clocks for the water.
glasses are from Larvé. Earrings are from Amazon. Arm candy is from Kate Spade. Regular ring. My bag is from Nathan Nior Norix, black owned brand. The jumpsuit is from Fashion Nova, and I have some simple Hermes sandals on. You guys can see I love black, but if black is not your thing, you can do different colors, but get inspiration from this video. I'm just showing you guys what I would wear if I wanted to be cute, comfortable, chic for Vybz Kartel Freedom Street. You can take what you like and dismiss what you don't. So this is the fit.
Kartel, what a way you bends a beat them bad.
Baby, you got the body when me looking for. Girl, your attitude match me car. So come roll with a superstar. Toxic character, stay away far. Can't jump in at the Benz, I make me go and drive it down. All toxic, I'm just go and go cool out. In at the Benz, I make me go and drive it down. All toxic, I'm just go and go cool out. 50 man and fan down the cabin. So tell no one say you no run no taxi. If you make 51, but me no want it. Me a request the girl in at the Benz with me. Your body good and it no wear and it no tear. You chassis ready for me steer. I've been 12 in a me can't be there.
So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below. Tell me which fit was your favorite. And you know I couldn't leave out doing this video without adding some clocks. But yeah, tell me what your favorite fit was, and I'll see you in part 2 for the more dressy version. Deuces.